friends, welcome back to Pink's Kitchen. Today let's check out how to make instant Aapam. This is a very delicious recipe with no compromise in the regular taste of the Aapams. Very easy to make, so let's quickly check out the ingredients and get started. To a mixer jar, add 1 cup of rice flour, 1 cup of steamed rice, you can use leftover rice, 1 cup of suji or rava, 1 cup of coconut, a teaspoon of dry yeast and a tablespoon of sugar. To this, add 2 cups of water and grind this to a very fine paste. Now it's ready. Transfer the Appam batter to a mixing bowl. To this, add half teaspoon of salt and mix it well. Now our instant Appam batter is ready. Let's now go make the Appams. Heat a Appam pan and pour in a ladle full of Appam batter. Spread it like this. Close with the lid and let this cook for 15 seconds. It's been 15 seconds now, so let's open and check. Our Appam is very nicely done, so let's now remove it. Now our delicious and soft Appam is ready. You can serve this either with coconut milk and sugar or with some chicken or egg masala. Very easy, delicious and healthy breakfast recipe. So do try this instant Appam recipe at your home and write back to me your feedback. I'll meet you all with another interesting recipe. Until then, bye friends. If you wish to check out our recipes in Tamil, do visit our Pink's Kitchen Tamil channel. Do subscribe to our Pink's Kitchen channel and click on the bell icon for latest updates. Happy cooking and thanks for watching this video.